Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change your account in the Pokemon TCG Pocket. First, navigate to the BlueStacks App Player application on your PC. Here, go to the Pokemon TCG Pocket game on it. Then click on the 3 bars icon shown at the bottom right corner. Now select the Other and choose the Account option. After that, hit the Delete Save Data button and save your current data. Next, it will start your new game and you can tap on Start. To create a new account, choose your country name and select the month and year of your birth. Then, hit the OK button and accept the terms of use and privacy notice after reading them carefully. Here, choose the options for the data sharing policies and enter your player icon or name. In this way, you'll be able to change your account in the Pokemon TCG Pocket. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.